Okay, ever since we have to find the x and y intercepts in an equation, this is a nonlinear equation, we can do something special to get those values. So it's important to keep in mind what I am about to tell you, and that's ever since you want to find the x-intercepts for x-intercepts, this is a general rule. Intercepts, okay, sorry about my intercepts word, and you just need to establish y as 0, y equals 0. So when you know that, you rewrite the equation x cubed minus 4x, but we already know we are looking for the x-intercepts, so this y I have here is the same 0 I have here because I consider this. Okay, now we have a simple factoring topic here, so I'm going to factor this out, this left side of the equation, that is x times x squared minus 4 equals 0. But if you can see here, I'm going to change my color. If you see here, this is a difference of squares, and difference of squares is something like this. Ever since you have the minus between two squared numbers, or this particular case with an x, you can expand this as x minus 2 times x plus 2. So I'm going to rewrite the equation once again, keeping in mind this or this is the same thing like this. So x minus 2 x plus 2 equals 0. Now we need to find the x values when the equation will be 0. That is, as you can see, x times x minus 2 times x plus 2 is a multiplication. So if you have a 0 here, okay, I'm going to erase to, no, let's assume x is 0. If you have a 0 here, all the left side of the equation will be 0, because every number multiplied by 0, or x or y or anything that is multiplied by 0 will becomes 0. So that's why I can say that one of the solutions for this equation, okay, I'm going to write here solutions. One of the solutions is his 0. Okay. Now I need to find another number or another value for x that will turn all my left side of the equation in 0. So if we will have here the contrary number of minus 2, that will become a 0. What number is this? That will be 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So everything inside this parenthesis will be 0. So 0 times x will be 0, and 0 times x plus 2 will be 0. So the another solution will be this 2. This is the another solution. Okay, and let's look for another number. Let's focus our attention in this side. What number in this parenthesis will turn the x plus 2 in 0? That will be the contrary. Minus 2 plus 2. Okay, let's write this. Will be 0. So that is 0, 0, 0 inside this parenthesis times x minus 2, 0, and x0 times x will be 0. So everything is working here. So I can say that minus 2, this number minus 2, the contrary of 2 in this side, is another solution for the x-intercepts. Now, as I told you at the beginning of the video, if I want to know the y-intercepts, but okay, the x-intercepts in this part, you have to do this, y equals 0. But if you want to know the y-intercepts, you need to establish x equals 0. But if you have this equation and you want to put zeros in all the x you have, that will be y equals 0, because, or in other words, y 0 cubed minus 4, okay, 4 times 0, that's the same thing up here. So the only number there's as you can see here, there's nothing to factor out. So the only number here, or the only solutions for the y-intercepts, these ones are the x-intercepts, now I'm getting the y-intercepts, will be only 0. So the points in the graph will be 0, this 0, 0. Okay, 0, remember this is x, this is y, so 0 will be this 0. The another point in the graph will be this 2, 0 again, because there's only one y solution, and minus 2, 0. And now we're going to graph the equation. The equation is something like this, and the points here, okay, I'm going to use another color. These points, this is 0, 0. Okay, so we already have this 0, 0. Now we need to graph 2, 0 and minus 2, 0. So minus 2, 0 roughly will be here, minus 2, 0, and here will be 2, 0. And okay, that's it.